Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. I have a couple small things to unbox for you guys today. This stuff in here is craft related, although it isn't necessary, or hobby, whatever you want to call it, related, although it isn't diamond painting related at all. I just wanted to unbox it for you. And then this, I have this, I loved it when I saw it, and so I'm just going to open it so you guys can see because it's really cute. I'll leave the links for everything below for you guys. Like I said, this one isn't craft related. It is, however, holiday related, and it's my favorite holiday. So, yay. I saw this, somebody posted it on Facebook on a group I'm in, that they had just got it, that they had just gotten it, and I was like, yeah, I need that in my life. So, it is a candle holder, and it's the poison apple, just one bite. It's all glittery. The words are, and it's just a little candle holder. You put your candles in it. It does open. It is ceramic or glass or whatever it's made out of, and I got it from Disney.com, and it was $19.99 plus shipping, but there was like a 10% off code when I got it. So yeah, love this. I just think this is really, really done well. But I wouldn't say I'm a super huge like Disney nerd. I do. Nightmare Before Christmas is my favorite movie ever made, and well, second favorite movie, but besides the point. And my husband is a Star Wars nerd, so Star Wars is now owned by Disney. I don't dislike Disney. It's just isn't, I'm not like I have to have Disney all this and all that, but that was just perfect. I do have a poison apple like collectible cup that a friend got me, that glows in the dark. The poison part glows in the dark. This part glows in the dark, and you know, stuff like that. But Halloween is my jam, so because it's Halloween related. Oh, I forgot I do have something diamond painting related in this box that I'm unboxing. I forgot. So because these containers are almost impossible to find, I had ordered a few more packages of them to go in my my Elizabeth Ward bead storage containers, because my sparklers from Tmall, that's what I use to put those in, and that is my perfect size. It holds 2 packages for me. So I forgot that I had that in here. And then I got this. It is a cutter. It just a ruler so you can cut up against it for the stuff that I'm using for junk drilling with it. And it was actually called Not Overpriced Precision Cutting Ruler or something like that. And I was like, oh, that's cool. It wasn't very expensive, so they did actually mean that it wasn't overpriced, so yay. And then I got this Flower Animals one color coloring book. I saw the images in here and I really wanted it. They packaged it, it bent, so, but it has some cool pictures in it. It has a rooster, a fox, a cat, a kangaroo, a horse, a flamingo. Oh, that will be cute. A meerkat, a snake, which is, snakes, I'm terrified. Don't ask me why, but I am. Llama, owl, eagle, chipmunk, squirrel, parrot, heron. I don't even know what this is. An ermine or something like that. I've never seen that word in my life. A duck, a swan, a rabbit, a butterfly, a bug, a dragonfly, an elephant, my favorite ever, a bear, a sheep, a pelican, a chameleon, I used to have a couple, a hedgehog, a lizard, and a snail. So I just think these are really cool pictures. There's the fox. And the kitty cat, that reminds me, the shape of it reminds me of the Naked Kitties. I don't know, I just think these look really cool, and you can do it in like one whole color, you can do it in multiple colors, you can go in here and just pick a couple colors so you can highlight or do accents. So I just really think this would be kind of a fun but not hard, like, just, I don't want to say coloring's hard, but you know, picking the colors and stuff, sometimes that can be a little daunting if you're not wanting to use any brain power. And the other day I got another coloring book, if I can pull it out for you, I can kind of show you. So I got Enchanted Halloween Whimsy Girls Fantasy by Lynn, and because again Halloween's my jam, I'm really excited to do some of these pictures and color them, but that's what I'm not by this one. This one you can pick like 2 or 3 colors for the whole picture, and it's not like a lot of detail or shading or any of that. Where this one I would want to take my time and do some shading and highlighting and kind of just, you know, make it look how I want it to look. And this one kind of gives you more of the mindless coloring to relax, if that makes sense. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you what I got, and I really appreciate you guys watching, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section, and I will answer them as soon as possible. Bye guys.